Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I figured I would turn the camera on because what I'm getting ready to do is package up some bracelets. So I was thinking this is a really good idea for anybody that wants to maybe create some jewelry for friends, family, co-workers, and then kind of personalize them. I buy the boxes. So I buy these boxes and I generally ship necklaces in these boxes, or I will ship jewelry that will fit. In this case, there is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 bracelets that have already been purchased by a person. So she said that her sister started her dream job and she asked, of course, dress up because it's an executive position. So she has to dress up and she bought all the bracelets for her. So she was saying if there's a way that I can send the bracelets, like in a little box or some type of way to, like, when she opens it, it has like some type of inspirational or encouraging type something in it. And I was like, oh yeah, cool. So remember, I have these inspiration cards, and then this card says, you got this. So I'm going to package up the bracelets, and then on top of the bracelets, I'm going to put this card on top inside the box. I don't have any more tissue paper. So depending on how the bracelets fit in the box, I might have to go out and get some more tissue paper. But I was thinking this would be a really good idea for anybody that wants to make jewelry for family members, friends, co-workers, anything like that, and go ahead and personalize it. So you could take the box and literally write their name on the outside of the box, right? I wrote my name only because I'm the designer of the jewelry and I'm sending it to another person, for a customer. So that's why. But you can personalize it in the sense of buying the box any color you want to get, and I'll put the link down there. Whatever color box you want to get, you can go ahead and write their name real pretty on the outside, and then just kind of package it in the inside, and any type of little inspirational card or something you want to put in the inside. That's like cool stuff because the holidays are coming up and people are looking for like really unique gifts to give family members and others. So that would be something like really cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 bracelets per bag. Also for this, I generally will put in here my QR code, and I'm not going to put the QR code in this box because this is a gift from someone. So the person that bought these, they already have all the information and all that good stuff. So I generally would do that. And I'm just, because they're going to the same person, it really doesn't matter how they're matched up. I'm going to just go ahead and put them in these bags. Nice and neat. And then we'll put them in the box. And then these will be really, like really cool for anybody that is looking to make, some really cool personalized gifts. Because she said her sister has been trying to land, like a really cool executive job for a really long time. And she finally got one. So that's cool stuff. And she said because it's an executive position, she has to, like dress up all the time. And I do understand how that one goes. Trust me. You be looking forward to casual Fridays. And then, see, we won't need any tissue paper because they all fit in here comfortably. And then all I'm going to do is put the card on top here. So the card will be in there. And then everything fits in here nice and snug. And then what I generally do with the boxes, it fits like really nice. And I usually will take a sticker and then put the little sticker here. I got clear stickers over there on the table. I'll put the clear sticker here, and then I put this in another box, and then I ship it out to whoever it is that it's going to. So when her sister gets the box, of course, she'll cut the little part off down here, the little plastic sticker. She'll open it, and then when she opens it, She'll have some goodies in the inside, and the card will say, "You got this." And I also need to print out the other thing that says it's a gift and who the gift is from, and like all that good type of stuff. So when she opens up the box, you know who it's from. And then her sister is saying, "You got this," and then she sent her a bunch of bracelets, you know, to as her accessory, so as she has to dress up every day when she goes to work. So I think it's a really good idea to personalize gifts. So Christmas is coming up, and if you make jewelry, or if you're looking to make jewelry and you want to give something that's very unique, something very different, you can buy these boxes in all different colors. They don't have to be this size. That could be any color, any size you want them to be, depending on what it is that you're going to make. If it's earrings, if it's bracelets, if it's necklaces, you know, like whatever it is, they got boxes that will fit. And then to personalize it, just go ahead and write their name on the outside. There's like a whole lot that you can do, you know. And when they open it, it could even be just like a gift box full of goodies. It doesn't necessarily have to be the bracelets. It could be full of necklaces. Well, not necessarily necklaces, depending on what type of necklaces you make. Full of earrings. It could be a mixture: earrings, bracelets, little simple necklaces, just good stuff. It could even be filled with jewelry. And then you have like a lot of little special notes and different things inside the box with the jewelry or whatever it is that you're giving the person or the people. And it's a really inexpensive way to give gifts, especially for Christmas that's coming up. You know, who doesn't want a cute little bracelet? And the thing with jewelry is an impulse buy. Generally, people are just not online trying to find jewelry. They will buy, like if they're out. Was it Saturday we went there? Saturday we went to an event at ECC here, and people had like all their goodies and stuff out. And one thing about it, you know, people are making things, and they're making things with their hands, but they're not. A lot of things are not quality, right? But anyway, there was a couple of people that had like some really beautiful pieces, you know, that are bracelets and earrings and all that good stuff. The quality was just on top. I mean, it was just out of this world type quality, right? My thought was, if I didn't make jewelry, I would more than likely buy from them because the quality was so good. But then I also thought to myself, I wouldn't go online looking for this, right? So if that's what jewelry is, kind of like sort of, a person doesn't know they like wearing a bracelet until they get a bracelet. So if it's you that's going to give bracelets during the holidays, guess what? Chances are people are going to wear those bracelets and they don't even know that they like wearing bracelets or that they wanted a bracelet until you give it to them. So it can be a nice little set. It can be with the 8mm, 6mm bracelets, and you can do like simple sets, 2, 3, 4 bracelets, like what I wore over the weekend with those 8mm, just 4. I mean, very easy, very comfortable, you know. And if it's 4 that people get, they might wear 1, they might wear 4, they might wear 2 together. God only knows. But they make really, really good gifts. So if you're looking for a really good, easy gift idea, there you go. And guess what? I'm going to go ahead and get this all sealed up. I'm going to get it packaged up because I do need to run to the post office. I got like 6 packages I need to mail out. So I'm going to take care of that. And I hope this little idea helps somebody out for the upcoming holidays. And guess what? We'll talk.